Rules for data grouped by classes. The classes should be of the same width. And when we say classes, we're talking about groups of data. So if you're going to do a group of data, like from 1 to 2, then 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, they're all the same width. Or from 0 to 5, 6 to 10, and so on. So they should be the same width. Classes should not overlap, so you wouldn't go 0 to 5, then 5 to 6, because 5 would fall into both categories. So we need to be careful of that. Each piece of data should belong to only one class. So modal class, the class of the greatest frequency. Midpoint of a class, also called the class mark, is found by adding the lower and the upper class limits and dividing the sum by 2. Note the difference between successive class marks is the class width. Okay, example 2. The following set of data represents the distance in miles that 15 randomly selected second grade students live from school. Construct a frequency distribution with the first class being 0 to 2. So we have distance, and then we have frequency. So we have 0 to 2 miles, then it must be 2.1 to 4 miles. Because you wouldn't just say 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 because you're missing the people who are more than 2 miles. Then 4.1, and I go 1 decimal place because this data only goes to 1 decimal place. 4.1 to 6 miles, 6.1 to 8 miles, and 8.1 to 10 miles. So frequency. How many people are 0 to 2? Let's see, we have, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 students are between 0 and 2 miles away from school. How many students are 2.1 to 4 miles away? Here's 1. So it looks like there's 1 student. How about 4.1 to 6 miles away? Okay. This is 4.1 to 6. 4.1 to 6. 4.1 to 6 and 4.1 to 6. Looks like we have 4 people in that category. How about 6.1 to 8? There we go. Looks like 2 people in that category. And 8.1 to 10. People who are left, and that is going to be 3. 3 students in that category.